All right, this is like an old school classic, what would you call it? Storm door. You could tell I went to a salvage yard and got an old storm door and I made it fit. And this is the wind chime I put in. And over here, I got this from Ace Hardware. And in the back, it actually had the strike plate I needed. So I used that. And then I got a newer window and I put it in here in the middle. But that's not what this video is about. What the video is about is adding this spring here. This also I got from Ace. It's like the spring your grandma had put on a storm door. And all you simply do is screw this in and you simply just put the string or the spring on that hook. And then you put another hook here and you put it there. And what I usually do is I put the hook out a little farther. Here, I'll show you. See, this thing can be adjusted. You just by turning it, see? Make it go in and out. So I make it go out a little bit. So if the spring gets stretched out, I can tighten it to put more tension on it. And that's about it. That's my storm door with the wind, and this is a wind chain, and that's about it. That's the story of my spring. It's pretty simple.